Mike Swisher from Finksburg, Maryland. This is my 42 Ford GPW that I restored. Actually, I've owned it for a long time. I bought it shortly out of high school as an old farm Jeep. And it went through a couple of restorations over the years and put it to this condition. All the accessories and accoutrements on here I made myself from a lot of internet photos.
Can you show us some of the stuff back here?
Sure.
Because this stuff is super cool.
Of course, this is a replica 30 caliber Browning machine gun. And the side mount. They also had a version with a glove box mount. But the issues with that was it could only be functional when the windshield was down. So this gave you a little more versatility on the side. And there's a photo that I found online many years ago. I'm not sure if you can see it in there too well or not, but of a field modification with a set of double bazookas. So I replicated that to put on mine.
It's not complete without bazookas, right?
Right. And then this is a replica of the projectile that will be loaded into that.
Nice. And this is yeah, tell me about this.
Well, this is a flamethrower, which you would tend to see more like the Pacific Theater with the Marines and whatnot, but just looking for something a little unusual to put on here, and I fabricated this one from photos on the internet and whatnot. And then the basic Bangalore torpedoes, which were the explosive tubes that they would use to explode barbed wire and things like that on a beachhead or whatever. And
oh, yeah, cage on the back of it too?
Say again?
And the cage on the back of it?
Yeah, this is what they call a bustle basket. It was just a little add-on that they sort of modified in the field just for extra storage when they were going on the longer away from supplies and whatnot. They could have all their extra gear and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Instead, if they didn't have a full trailer to pull, then that would give them a little more storage.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And these are replicas of some of the basic K-ration boxes.
Wow, this is really cool.
A lot of the web gear, the packs, and all that stuff, that's all original. Other than this coat and my clothing is original. And the hat. My radar hat.
Nice, nice.
So anyway,
I like it.
Pretty much the $2 tour, I guess.
Hey, appreciate it.
Thanks for coming over.
That's super cool.
Glad to do it.
That's pretty good. You just
fired right up.
Good job.
No, he's tapping.
Terrible. Terrible.